Oh, there he is. Thought we lost him. Yeah, 1800 watt e-bike following behind the A-Pass M2 Pro, the fat tire e-bike. My man just picked that up. So, you know, we're just kicking it around today, kicking it around town. I'm on the Surron Light BX 2023. He's on a brand new A-Pass 1800 watt M2 Pro. So, you know, I've been looking at bikes to buy. Man, I've been all over the place with dual sports and naked bikes, like my last bike, the MT-07, which is probably the best bike in that class. But the thing about that bike is it still holds its value very well, so it's kind of expensive to buy, even a used one. But what I've been looking at is like the Z500, the Z650 Kawasaki, also the CF Moto 450 NK. I was looking at the 650 NK 2022 and all that, but they had some issues with it that I just, I don't know, I was looking it up and they stopped making it, and I was like, what's the deal with it, you know? And I heard they had some issues with the electrical and all that, so I didn't really want to get that bike, you know, after seeing that it could have potential problems, you know what I mean? But now the new ones, I think they've cleared everything up. 2026 coming out with the 675 NK, but that's going to be a little pricey, I feel like. I don't think I'm going to go and, you know, put the money out for that, but the 450 NK, still really punchy. I think it lines up nice against the Z500. The Z500 may have a little bit more top end power, I don't know, but that 270 degree crank on the 270 degree crank on the CF Moto is just, it's just gonna be, you know, I've seen the reviews on it. I think that's the one I want, but for the price point, like literally right now, I've seen it for $39.99. You can get one, a new one, you know, out the door. They're telling me $6,000 though. Like, 4,000 sticker out the door for $6,000. And it's just like leaving me in this weird decision-making area where, do I want to get a new one, a used one? You know what I mean? What do I want to do? So I feel like if they'll come down on the price a little bit on the new one, the out the door price anyway, then I would get the new one. I think this is a good time to buy too right now, going into the fall when it starts getting colder. Not as many people buying bikes, riding bikes. We still out here, you know that. So the last time, you know, we used to come out with my man here on his old e-bike, he could never really keep up because it was a small e-bike with like I think it was a 300 watt motor, so he didn't have much power at all there. But now he's got the 1800 watt. I think he's scared of it. I think he's still getting used to it thing, honestly. Got going on here some painting. Got it all blocked off. What are you doing over there, bud? parking lot paint. Yeah. Huh? I'm sure, man. You gotta be careful when you're in the top gears. I remember last time we came out here, you couldn't handle it. I was saying the last time the bike couldn't handle it. It was too slow. Nah. It still feels so good to bop around on the Surron. He's coming along back there. So like I was saying, I really feel like the CF Moto 450 NK is the best bang for my dollar, you know, best bang for my buck, what I want. We'll go loop back around. We'll go loop back around and head to the trails in a minute. So yeah, this e-bike that he has here, very capable. I don't know what's back here. Let's hit it. Let's see how it goes up the uphill. Nice time to ride out here in the fall. So, you know, the thing about the CF Moto is I don't really know that brand as much as the Kawasaki brand. Of course, you know, more established. I feel like with that one, I'm definitely getting a great bike, whereas yeah. I can't hear you. What you say? Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is the route home over there. The Kawi brand is just like, you know, more established. So I know that's a great bike. You know what I mean? The Z500 is perfect power plant. I literally saw those for like $4,600. You know, about $600 more than the CF Moto 450 NK. But it doesn't have that 270-degree crank, which the CF Moto does. So I like how he did that with their bike, like the MT-07 had. But we'll be making a move on something soon here. Yeah, they're doing asphalt. You don't want to go on that sticky part, boy. But we're going right back here. Woo. So yeah, the 450 is probably lighter to the NK. You know, I like the weight on that bike.